Okay, so to complete a supervisor review for CAS or service action, you sign into ManageBack and you go to your dashboard, and on the sidebar, you have reviews in progress. Click on CAS, SA, service action, and service learning. This will bring you to a page that lists the progress and approvals of any student who has logged CAS service action or service learning. You click on reviews to ensure that you're looking at the ones you need to review. I'm going to go down and we're going to look at a student who has completed a review, where you click on their name and it brings you to the supervisor page. I've already written a supervisor review, and I've also ticked that the student has discussed the outcomes learned. You know that because the student has done a reflection, which details what happened in the activity, as well as an image for that activity. To go and look at a student who might not have completed their activity, you go and your supervisor review, I haven't filled in. The reflection is not detailed, so I would go back, look at the reflections, very limited. There is no evidence of outcomes or a photo or anything to help show that the student has done this activity. And then I will have sent an email reminder or a note saying, I've emailed you. Please add your reflections and then post the note, and an email will be sent to your students. Going back to see what's, this lists every single, again, review that is sent to you. Any student who needs a review, whose review you have completed, I should say, has a little purple reviewed activity mark. Any student who is in progress has this little orange clock. And a student who you've reviewed as not meeting any criteria will have an X, a red X next to it. These need to be, students will need reminders that their activity needs a review and reflection.